everyone, today we paint some beautiful pink wildflowers, okay? Still practicing the thin brush, let's start. Today's color we need black, white, green, red, yellow, okay? And let's prepare our canvas still using light gray, okay? Yeah, just put a lot of color and cover your paper or your canvas. And then wait until it's dry. We come back for the painting, alright? Alright, here's all dried. Let's find a brush like this one. And we start with the flower first. Scatter some red and mix into a little bit white, okay? Let's make dark pink. Okay, here we have pushed down the brush, one stroke make a flower petal. And then somewhere you can use 2 strokes, make 1 flower petal. And then there's one done. We do the second one here. You decide where you want to put a flower, okay? And this one is closer. We make a little bit bigger than the one on top, alright? There we go, almost done with this one. Just go on and put it here and there, anywhere you feel like it should have a flower, okay? And you can change different position of the flower, like where they facing. Someone they facing the other side, someone showing the sideways. It depends what you want to do, okay? And don't worry too much in the first time. We just have to put more details in later on, okay? Here, pay a little more attention to see how I put these few strokes in the flower petal facing different way, okay? So that flower is stand on the sideway, so it's showing the sideway on the front, okay? Yeah, you can design how the position, alright? And then now all the flowers done. We just put a few small ones here and there. It just put a dot, and then we start doing the stems, okay? So here we grab the thin brush again. Get some water to make the paint thinner. Get dark green. Just put a line. Yeah, you can cook it this way or that way just to match in the picture. Look nice, alright? And that's all. And then we're going to do some leaves. And this time the flower leaves is also very thin lines. So will be a lot of practice of the thin brush, okay? Yeah, no problem. Take your time to do it. Yeah, you see, when you want to do a thin line, you just do it faster. So you make sure where you want to lie the line you go through, and then you just get your brush in the same pressure, okay? And then do it faster, so that way you get straighter lines. There, you see, the leaves will go like just push and drag out and lift it, okay? And then you can go back and make here thicker or there thicker, just saying there's come out a leaf, another part maybe another leaf, alright? So you design how the picture looks. And you see here I put a little thicker on the bottom. Alright, here we take a little time to do leaves here and there, okay? And this is a good practice of using the fine brush, the very thin lines, okay? And this brush you're going to use a lot in the future, so it's good to do some simple pictures so you can practice a little more, alright? Don't be afraid that you make mistake. You can always redo it or cover it with the background color and then do it again, alright? It's no problem. When you practice, it doesn't matter. Yeah, just try to control your brush, alright? Say, like what you do, you just put the brush down and lift it. No need to long lines, okay? And then here, we're going to put a little bit fine details on the flower. Like under the flower, there's some little like leaf part of the flower come out here and there. Just few strokes to make it more reasonable, okay? And then we're going to do some fine lines later on. And then at this time, we just shape up the flowers a little bit. And you see now, plus all the details you put in, and the picture look much better, alright? Alright, here take your own time to add in a little detail here and there to make the picture look better, okay? Alright, here we're going to do a cool move, okay? I like this. You get a fan brush and then mix into a lot of water and get green or yellow. Alright, you just spray the color. Use your finger, bend the brush, and then spray the color into your page. And then that's for the background color. It's more interesting this way, okay? Yeah, see now I put some dark. Yeah, there we go. It's no problem you spray on the flowers because we're going to do more details on the flowers, so it will cover it, no problem. Alright, see, that's easy, right? And now the picture look much better. Alright, let's come back and do more details on the flowers. We get back the brush we were using to do the flower. Okay, and now we mix a light color. Right, we just put on the flower petals and here and there, alright? Just give a little bit different feeling, and then there's a contrast in between the flowers, alright? There we go. And then you will see after we add in details, the flower really stand out, okay? Be careful this part here. Remember I said the flower facing different way, so we want to keep it that way, alright? And then we also need to put a little light on the side that we can see in the back of the flower petal, okay? And I think you need to put a little shallow, so I got a little dark back in to the center of the flowers, alright? Yeah, you see, with the center, the flower look clear now. And then now we get a little dark red. You see, I mostly get red, okay? And then we go dots here and there around the center. There, alright? And these are the steps, the more details, okay? And now I get some yellow in, it becomes orange color, and just dot here and there, alright? So that's we make the center of the flower more stand out, the different color with the flower petal, yeah. We also put a little bit detail into the smaller ones. Oh, there you add another one. So feel free to add here and there if you need it, okay? No problem. And now you see I just wash out the dark color. I want to make dark red. And then we're going to do the H lines of the flower petals. Alright, this is the important steps that shape up the flower looks, okay? So pay attention where you want to shape the flower petals. Yeah, there we go. So this one is done, okay? And you see, I put the brush on the edge of the plate, and then I'm squashing out the extra, so that way I can draw very thin lines, okay? I can control the brush better with that less paint on the brush. And then you can constantly go back and forth, get a color, no problem, alright? There. Yeah, take a little time to do these details, alright? No problem. Alright, pay attention on this flower here. I want to see is there's a leaf that's flipping up, okay? You see that one? I just put a few lines and from the bottom to top, alright? And then there we put a little bit dark color into the center. And this one also here is a different shape of with other flowers. Just pay attention, watch this part, okay? You always can go back and forth to watch it again, alright? There's no problem. Well, if you haven't subscribed my channel, you can subscribe and then you can go and search for other my videos and that covers different parts, okay? I hope my video covers most of the important part that it will help you on your painting, okay? And then if you like my video, you can share with your friends, alright? That will be a big support for me. Thank you so much. Here grab some yellow and the tip of the brush, okay? You just dot here and there in the center of the flower. And that's the final touch. And then we're done with the flowers, okay? I hope you learned a lot today. And remember, always sign your